Hi, I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2009 Toyota Corolla 1.8 liter automatic. I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter. This is the part I'm going to be using today to do this job. This is a cabin air filter. The cabin air filter is located behind the glove box. So we're going to be opening up this glove box. And there's this plastic piece right here. I'm going to have to disconnect. So I'm going to be squeezing this guy and then removing this plastic piece. Okay. Now we're going to be pushing in the sides of the glove box. And I'm going to be, you can prop it up with anything just to hold up the glove box. Okay, so now there's a tab over here. I'm going to be pushing it in and then pulling it out, and then this plastic piece comes out. Now I'm going to be pulling out my cabin air filter. Okay. So now I'm going to be putting in my new cabin air filter. If you notice, there's arrows pointing downwards. The air actually goes from the top down. So we're going to be putting it back in. Putting this plastic piece on. So we're going to be hooking the left side on first. And then now we're going to snap it in. Then we're going to be closing the glove box. Hooking this plastic piece on, closing the box, and you're good to go. So that's how you replace a cabin air filter. Make sure you subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.